people, and once everyone got off, I stayed up there with the people, and then I uppered anchor and then took them away. But
Hey, by the way, do you know?
Had a runner.
Do you know what we finna go do?
What?
We finna go the big red skull. That's what we finna go. Yeah.
Guys!
Do you have the grappler? Do you have the grappler?
I do, but I don't have it.
Oh, okay.
Is that AI? Let me check on the map. That is not AI. That is not AI.
Alright, good. Let's go. Hit it up.
I'm gonna do this. Oh, come on, I missed it.
Yeah! Oh, it's AI.
Oh.
No,
It
let's
wasn't
go. Let's just
purplish
go.
on the map, though.
Let's just go. No, it's supposed to be brown.
Oh.
It's supposed to be brown to be a real person.
Where's my axe? I have a guitar.
Wait, now, are we doing that? Are we doing that?
Violin, guitar, and the one where you do this with are definitely the best one. Check if it's AI. If it's purplish, kind of purple, that means it's AI. Oh yeah, that's an AI boat.
Yes, it's AI.
One day when I have it,
if you don't have at least one cannon, you're gonna get cooked by AI. But if you have one cannon, the AI is gonna get cooked. Like, even if they have the biggest boat, I swear. AI can be so good but so bad at the same time in this game.
Okay,
For some
I
reason,
see
the
him.
longer,
Guys,
for
you
some
are
reason,
ready? Huh? You are ready to get the skeleton? You are ready?
Anyone have? Who has the skull? I'm guessing you.
Okay, get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! No! Okay, go.
Oh.
Oh my! I'm holding it up. Dude, why is it doing this?
So high. So high.
Can you hurt him with cannons?
No.
No. I can't move. He goes into that. Yes, I think. I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Hey, drive it to the thing. I will be back. I'm finna run to do it so fast. Yo, get out my feet.
Get him, guys! Damn it, though.
Dude, why do you want to kill him so bad? Oh, where is he? Ah! Stop it, stop it.
Oh.
You're good? Okay, yeah, he's good.
Okay.
He's good, don't worry.
No. Okay.
I'm back.
Dude, when you were off, you looked like you broke every bone in your body. You're like, like that.
Okay, guys, you are ready? You are ready?
Clay, I'm getting him the grappler so you won't have to die when I take it.
Get him! Get him, guys! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Him! Whew. You are ready? You are ready?
Are you ready, kid?
Yeah.
Aye, Captain!
Yeah!
Let's get it!
Get him!
Oh my gosh, how dangerous.
Why me? Easy friends. I help you. Come here. No. Oh!
Wait for his shield to go off.
No! I'm laggy! I'm laggy! Scotch. Can't you stop this? Yes, I cut him. Where is a skeleton head?
Come on, where's my axe? Where's my axe?
Where's a head?
Yeah, nigga.
Where's a head?
His ability.
Let me kill him.
Okay, get him.
Let's go.
Where's a head?
Whose treasure chest?
Huh?
Oh, it has 0 in it.
Where is the head?
It's a broken.
I got the key. Come on, y'all. I got the key.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm at 5 HP.
Hey, why don't we get nothing?
Here. Hey man.
I'm gonna take a rescue boat over there because I know that it hurts.
Come. Jsme si mysleli, že to bude iba to. Yo!
Hey,
What
hey,
happened?
Come here.
What happened?
Hey, I'm gonna need you. Hey Clay. When
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you when so he can respawn up there to me to get it grappled.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, everybody stand right here. I'm gonna tell y'all when
What? Oh my gosh,
How
what
is
is
he supposed
this?
to tell us when to die? Yeah, I've done this. Well, halfway, then I died, so then I teleported up to the top. I couldn't get past, right there with it pouring the lava down right there. I couldn't get past that.
Okay, play the music.
I kept telling y'all to die.
Well, we can't hear you.
Stop.
Okay, well,
Die,
just
die.
look up until you get to the top. Oh, no, not this. I died when I was up there, so I needed to take that part, which is really high up to it. Oh! Oh my gosh. I nearly died right there.
Okay. Woo.
I think he's up there. Yeah, he's up there.
He's dying. Hey.
Hey, die.
Okay.
Might as well equip it right now.
Oh no. Liam. Phew. Hey man. Hey. Hey man. Hey. Okay, goodbye. Oh.
Alright.
There it is.
Oh.
Don't
Grab it
grab
with the
with two
hand that you
hands.
want it to be in.
Yeah. Alright. Now let's go.
Oh,
Yours just replace
thanks.
it with your sword.
Thanks, man. Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Usually I'm a lonely guy, not a first guy.
buddies.
Okay. Thanks, man.
I'm